Ever looked at your Reddit profile and thought, wow, I've been posting here for years? Old opinions, outdated posts, throwaway comments, they all stay public unless you remove them. And deleting Reddit posts one by one, that's painful. This is where MultCleaner comes in. I've already connected my Reddit account to MultCleaner dashboard and it's ready to be scanned. You can use MultCleaner to delete posts, comments, and you can even filter them by time. Today, I want to delete some posts. Once I select all my posts, MultCleaner will show me which subreddits I have posted in. I can select the subreddits one by one, and then I can also check what posts did I have in those subreddits. I can select all of the posts simultaneously, or I can select them one by one. I can check the post by their title and also their content. I can use filters to select specific dates between which I have posted. I can also write the name of the subreddit. I can search by the title of the post, upwards, downwards, and also the comments. Once I've selected the post I want to delete, I will just hit delete and I am done. With one action, dozens of Reddit posts are deleted safely and efficiently. No scripts, no risky browser tricks, just a clean, controlled way to reclaim your online presence. This is Digital Detox Privacy Cleanup.